Hello, welcome to the start of this new vlog. I'm starting it now because we are about to pick up our mattress. Are you ready?
Noodle.
What did you?
Who's this?
We have been sleeping on an air mattress. I'll show you guys once we pick up the bed. If you guys have not heard of Low, it's really dark right here. Do you have keys? What? It's a bed in a box. Wait, pose for a thumbnail. Not like that. So basically, if you have not heard of Lowell before, it's a bed in a box and it literally gets delivered right to your door. We've actually had Lowell before and we love it. You are not dragging it like that in the... Do you want help? Okay, let me shut the door. Let me help you. Our lunch actually just arrived, so Bari's gonna get that and I'm going to pull this off. What originally happened, my air mattress was supposed to get shipped across the country and arrived the same day. It's been delayed and still has not arrived, so we had to buy this air mattress, which hasn't been terrible, I think. But obviously we would prefer a real bed. I'm so excited to unbox this. Oh my God! Yeah, like this. A little anticlimactic so far. If you want an update on the living room, here it is. It's not looking great, but it's because we almost have the bedroom done. Have you guys seen the bedroom? If you haven't watched the last video, maybe, but here's the update. I'll show again during the day, but here we are. And then we built this dresser today. We're watching Bob's Burgers right now, but the dresser took forever, but it looks really nice. Well, big difference from last night. We've cleaned the place out. We're moving out. Just kidding, we're actually getting our couch delivered today. We found this really nice one that was actually still affordable, and they have literally had 1-day delivery, so we cleaned everything out and it's gonna get packed up. We just put the air mattress away. Bari is working on the mattress foam topper, which I don't have high hopes of it getting into that bag.
We might need a refill.
Another refill? Okay, I might have to help him with that. But yeah, we've been tracking them all day long at the stops they've been at. We're stop 12, they're at stop 11. So we're ready for them and hopefully we can start to get rid of this echo.
Is it recording?
Let me check. Yep, it's recording.
So she said I couldn't get it in. I knew I could get it in because how I folded it. I wish I saw how I folded it. She didn't.
We got it in. It's in.
What did you tell her? It's like doing what?
I said that you could do it.
No. I'm leaving.
She's taking the camera. They just left. Here it is. Oh, you get to... That's not fair. We were supposed to sit down at the same time.
Did I find you that?
Yeah, you did. That's not bad.
Not bad.
I like it. We got a couch.
Facts. My man was...
Bro, The guy at one point had it, oh, that's what I looked like that whole time. The guy had it on his shoulder at one point. I was like,
he had it on his head.
Scared. Oh my god, the couch looks so good.
It look good?
Yeah.
Hold on.
What do you want, a talk show?
It look good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think it's a perfect fit for the space. Let me just say, it's been a hefty few days. Let me give you guys updates. Please don't be mad that I'm only just giving updates and not like filming in real time. It is very hard to do that. So first, office setup. Ooh, we've got the desk and the chair, really exciting. So I actually have somewhere to work now, which is really exciting. To your left, trash.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Unfortunately, the bin outside is literally full of recycling, so we can't even take it out. So it's hanging out with us for a few days. We had some packages come earlier. First of all, we got our clothing bins, shipped them in the mail through FedEx. They came a little late, but nonetheless they came and intact. And now finally we can start cooking because, well, I mean, it's a microwave, so it's not like the best cooking in the world, but it is cooking. So we have a microwave, ooh, and an air fryer, which we're gonna use tonight. We live near Trader Joe's, so we're gonna run by so that we can actually start cooking physical things. And then on top of that, we just got this package delivered and all of these packages delivered through Bed Bath & Beyond. I placed one big order on Bed Bath & Beyond and it came in like so many packages, and this isn't even everything. So I did save opening that so we could do an unboxing. Also, I wanted to show you the closet because we're starting to get work here too. This is the hall closet, so like less items. And then shoe rack. Amazing. You're shocked that there's so much? I'm not. I have absolutely no idea which package is which. Oh. Swiffer. Ooh, adult purchases are like the funniest thing, but this is what we chose to go with. Oh, I think I know what this one is. A cutting board set. Very nice, very classy. This is our bathroom trash can. Wow, okay, first of all, they did a really good job packing it. It's heavy. It's our dinnerware set. I am so excited about this one. Oh, it's packed very well. Okay, we'll get back to this one because I still want to open the others. Oh, it's our vacuum. Here it is, a Shark Rocket. Wow. And it's skinny too. We love a skinny bitch. Oh my god, it's many things. It's like a lot of stuff in one. That's even more exciting. Okay, let's see. Organizer for pots and pans. Let's see. Rubber mat for the kitchen for like drying dishes, if you see. Yeah, you put the dishes on top like that. This is a bath mat for the bathroom. So you like lay this in the shower and it like grips so that you won't like die in the shower. This trash can we'll be using for recycling. Ooh, this one's exciting. This is by Rubbermaid. It's fresh seal for produce, so it will help your produce stay fresh longer. Toaster, we are ringing it in with the electronic stuff today. So much. And the last thing just opened, it's our glass set. So we're gonna be putting all of this away. Bari just got here. We're gonna be putting everything away in the cabinet now. So look at all this stuff we got. Oh. This, that. No, this is for pots and pans. Oh, we got our trash cans, the one for the bathroom.
Okay.
The toaster, those are our dishes. This one's for the recycling. We didn't buy a bedroom trash can. We'll buy one. So look, vacuum, Swiffer.
Get to it.
Look, trash that you have to take out. It's a work in progress. Well, since filming that last clip, we, as you can kind of see, like it's been some time, we definitely have more furniture and more things here. While I didn't really vlog it because I really just kind of wanted, you know, some like us focused time of like building furniture and not focused on like vlogging. Just know the apartment tour is coming very, very, very soon. I give you a little sneak peek, nothing crazy. But thank you guys for watching this video dedicated to like getting furniture and unboxing stuff. Please subscribe so that you will be notified when the apartment tour comes out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.